Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add leading zeros in text field in Microsoft Access. This is particularly useful when you're working with ID numbers, product codes, or any numerical data that needs consistent formatting with zeros at the front. Let's jump right into it. First things first, open up your Microsoft Access application and load into your database. Take a moment to let the software fully load along with all your data. You want to make sure everything is ready before we start making changes, as this ensures a smooth workflow without any interruptions. Once everything has loaded properly, we'll begin adding those leading zeros to your text field. Navigate to the top part of your screen and click on the Create tab. This is essentially your toolkit within Access, housing all the important features you'll need for building queries and managing your database structure. From this tab, look for an option labeled Query Design and click on it. This tool allows us to create custom queries that can manipulate and format your data exactly how you need it. Now we're ready to work directly with your database table. On the right side panel of your screen, you'll see the Add Table menu. This is where all your available tables are listed. Select the table that contains the text field you want to add leading zeros to, then click on it to add it to your query workspace. Once the table appears in your query design panel, simply drag the specific field you want to format directly into the query grid below. Right next to that field, press your right mouse button. A small context menu will appear with several options. From that menu, choose Build. This opens up the Expression Builder, which is where the magic happens. An Expression Builder window will now appear on your screen. This is where you'll create the formula that adds those leading zeros. Start by typing in Format on the Expression Builder. This function is key because it lets you control how your data is displayed. From here, click on your database file name to expand it, then click on Tables, and choose the specific database table where you want to add leading zeros on the text field. Once you've located your table, double-click on it to add it into your expression. Now add a comma right after your table reference. This separates your field from the formatting instructions you're about to provide. Next, you'll assign the expression that actually adds the leading zeros. Add an open quotation mark, then type in several zeros next to it. About 10 zeros should work perfectly for most use cases, but you can adjust this number based on how many leading zeros you need. After typing the zeros, close the quotation mark so the zeros are contained within it. Then close the parentheses to complete your expression. Once everything looks correct, click on OK. Now it's time to see your work in action. Click on Run, which is located at the top left part of your screen. Access will process your query, and you'll immediately see an expression field that displays your original field with leading zeros added in front. Your text field now has that professional, consistent formatting you were looking for. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.